Water. Objective: to learn about water, its states, evaporation, and condensation. Water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. Oceans, seas, rivers, and other water bodies are present on the Earth. Even the human body is made up mostly of water. In nature, water exists in 3 states, namely solid, like ice, liquid, like water, and gas, like steam. Water changes its states by methods like evaporation and condensation. Let's learn about them. Evaporation. The heat of the sun changes water to water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Here's an activity to understand this. Use a wet brush to write the word mango on the wall. Observe it for a few minutes. We see that the word mango has disappeared from the wall. This is because the water with which it was written has changed into water vapor due to the heat of the sun. This process is called evaporation. Evaporation happens if the temperature is high and the wind is dry. Condensation. When water vapor cools down, it changes into drops of water. This process is called condensation. Now let's perform an activity to understand condensation. Take a glass with some ice cubes in it. Allow it to stand for a while. Now look at the glass. We find that some of the ice has melted and that tiny water droplets have collected on the outer surface of the glass. This happens because ice-cold water has very low temperature, which makes the glass cold. Therefore, when the air outside the glass comes in contact with the cold surface of the glass, the water vapor in the air gets condensed and changes from gas to liquid in the form of the tiny water droplets on the outer surface of the glass. This is called condensation. To summarize, water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. Water exists in 3 states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. The heat of the sun changes water to water vapor. This process is called evaporation. When water vapor cools down, it changes into drops of water. This process is called condensation.